Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about how to apply 3 to 1 principle for spherical surface. One of the viewer had asked a doubt on how to apply 3 to 1 principle for spherical surface, so I am just going to explain what it is. In my previous video, that is a 3 to 1 principle video, I had explained what 3 to 1 principle means with the help of this part, to just for ease of understanding, but it doesn't mean that all the parts that we have will have a spherical surface like this. But you take a planar part like this, which is having a planar surface. Now this part is having high points and low points. When I try to rest this, take that as a primary datum and then rest it onto a datum feature simulator, the three high points on the extreme ends will be taken to create a plane and then bring the part to a stable condition. When I butt it against the secondary datum, it requires two high points, and then when I butt it against the tertiary datum, it requires minimum of 1 point. This is the basic idea of 3 to 1 principle. 3 to 1 principle can be applied to planar surfaces only. It cannot be applied to any other surfaces. So the viewer's question of having a spherical surface and then applying 3 to 1 principle is not at all possible. One thing. Second thing is, if at all you want to apply 3 to 1 principle, then you have to take 3 pins on which you are going to rest the spherical part. Now what is happening? These 3 pins will arrest all the 6 degrees of freedom of the spherical surface. So depending upon the function and assembly requirement, we have to choose, but usually for spherical surface we take spherical datum feature simulator itself as a datum and not 3 pins. If you want to take 3 pins, then we have to consider datum targets. Similarly, you cannot apply this 3 to 1 principle for a conical surface or for a cylindrical surface. 3 to 1 principle is mainly for planar surfaces, where the planar surface will have 3 high points to take as a primary datum, 2 high points to take as a secondary datum, and 1 high point to take it as a tertiary datum. Another situation or a condition where we can use 3 to 1 principle is in datum targets. In datum targets, when we use datum target points, then we have to follow 3 to 1 principle. If the primary datum is a datum target point, then it requires minimum of 3 points to create a plane. So to conclude, 3 to 1 principle cannot be applied to a spherical surface. Thank you.